Hey guys, what's going on? We're back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the wireless speaker sunglasses from Traxx. So, I know that there's been like various types of I've seen these. They've become common. The only downfall is if you wear glasses, these are not going to work for you. So, anyways, I got these from Five and Below, or kind of Five and Beyond. And as you can see here, it's for $10, so it's Five and Beyond. So it includes built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery, not replaceable. That sucks. It has a built-in speaker, and we have built-in speaker, seamless connection, rechargeable battery, open ear experience, so it's not inside, And as you can see here, high definition speaker. I don't know about that, but hey, we'll check these out. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And let's see. I guess I'll open it from here. It's kind of open already. Might as well. We'll go for the Bluetooth. Why was I debating open on one side? So, all right. So this is what you get as soon as you open the box. Oops, they came out already. Oh, these are actually Maverick glasses. Dang, that is sick. That is sick. They're like Maverick glasses. That's awesome. I thought they were going to be some kind of, like the inside, they made it look like, oh, it's nothing. You know what I mean? They made it look like it was black, but oh, dude, like these are like brown. That's pretty sick. Quality's pretty good. It's not plastic, actually. That's crazy. I was expecting plastic, but it's kind of like almost like, yeah, like a little bit of steel. Here's where you have, this is where I have to charge it. Unfortunately, it's micro USB, so that sucks. What else do we get? Man, I feel like Maverick already. We got this, and here's a charger. Remember, it's micro USB. These are gonna get phased out, so, but it's cool. Before you begin, ... So yeah, charging port, the power button, Bluetooth pairing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get started. C device, TX, BT, Sun, estate, and then after sales pairing, flash red and blue, and successful pairing. Yeah, so we'll go. I guess hopefully it still has power. Or is a? Oh, I hear it. Oh, there it is. So we're gonna go ahead and pair them. It's gonna come out right now. Hopefully it comes out right now. I think it'll come out right now. Let's try to find it. There it is. So I can hear it. Unfortunately, it's only one side. I barely realized that. So those of you that was hoping to get two sides, I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, as you can, I should have seen that. Well, if you see the back, yeah. So those that were expecting to have two sides, I guess, I don't know if it has a built-in microphone. Yeah, it doesn't have a built-in microphone. That would have been more effective. It has a built-in speaker. So that's the thing. So, dang. Sorry to ruin it for you guys. I mean, that's pretty cool though. So let's check the audio on it. So we'll check it real quick. So I'll just play something random. That'd be pretty sick. So basically, I don't want to get demonetized, so I'll only play like a couple of seconds. I'll play something that's my property. Give me one moment. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'll just play this right here. It doesn't matter. So yeah, if you can see, it's right here. It's only one side, unfortunately. So that's what's. Let me check real quick. The glasses don't sit well. They kind of sit crooked, but it's understandable. Yeah, I mean, it's cool if it's not like where it sits on your bone. It's almost sitting your bone. But yeah, this is pretty much if you're at the beach and or walking and you want to be like if you want to be aware of your surroundings, these would be great. Plus, yeah, the only downfall is that glasses are kind of crooked. They don't sit still with you. So I think it's because of the weight of it. So I think that's what plays a big role. Yeah, let me put it on again. Yeah, it's because probably of the weight. I feel like it's halfway crooked. Like I feel like it's tilted. So yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the Traxx wireless speaker sunglasses. Um, they're okay. Not my cup of tea, but maybe someone else's. Um, like say if you're out and about and you don't want to put headphones in your ear for some reason, these would be great. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Other than that, like I said, they're okay. I'd wear them, but I wouldn't use them a lot. Only because they fit crooked. As you can see right there, it's kind of slightly crooked on there. So that kind of plays a big role. But at least Traxx came up with a solution. I really wish they would have put this more back here where your ear is. That way it could sit on the bone and you'll be able to hear the music. So other than that, I think this is a great idea to start. But my recommendations is they could just put 2 of them here. That way you'll have both sides. Because that, or if they had a built-in microphone, that would be kind of cool. So yeah, guys, that was me unboxing the wireless speaker sunglasses from Traxx. If you want to guys check it out for $10, go for it. I mean, you get sunglasses. I mean, you know, here, and other than that, yeah, but I still prefer like earphones or so. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next time. Peace.